Dice! Welcome to Luke Cartoons. I apologize for not posting for the last couple of weeks. I've just been reevaluating how this channel goes about things. If everything goes to schedule, you can expect multiple videos per week. Yay! There's a couple new ways of going about things. The steering wheel was at 960, so if you've seen any of these videos, I had 960 degrees from lockout to lockout with my wheel. I have changed that to 540 degrees. I'm less busy on the wheel, I can focus more on driving, and honestly, it just creates a more fun experience, so why not? I'm not 100% sure what actual rally cars use, but that's what we're sticking with right now. If you're a nerd like me, you will have noticed that Dirt Rally 2.0 has 13 countries to play in, and each country has 12 different stages available. And as far as my Ford cars go, for rally, we have a total of 10. So because of this wonderful numerology, we are now going to be using dice to decide our stage and car combo. This is a 12-sided die. You can see there's a little C next to each number for country. This is another 12-sided die, but it has a little S next to each little number for the stage within it. This is a 20-sided die. So this is going to dictate two things. One, which car I'm using, and two, which kind of transmission I'm using. If the number the die falls on is between 1 and 10, I'm going to be using that respective car in an H pattern configuration. If the number is between 11 and 20, I'm going to be using that respective car in a sequential configuration. Because there's 13 countries and 12 sides to the die, I've already made a couple of videos on Australia lately, so we're just going to skip that so we have 12 other countries to choose from. Diving right in. So since we're skipping Australia, country number 1, 2, 3, 4 is Greece. Ooh, stage number 1 is Anodou Farmakas, whatever, wet, as per usual. Car number 9 would be the Fiesta Mk, and 19 means we're just using it in a sequential configuration. So now instead of just going at it until we hit top 1000, we're gonna see how fast we can get in 5 runs. We're gonna leave it on default, tires, soft. And before we dive in, we're gonna be chugging on a non-sponsored energy drink.
Keep left of a 30, 4 right.
Ah, fudge.
Don't cut. Keep
I meant to do that.
6 right long of a crest. Tight on slow, pressed, slow 6 left, unrests, bumps, into 6
okay,
right.
A little late.
Keep left opens, into 4 left long of a jump, to 6 left, and 6 right of a bump.
Ew. Ew. Alright. Okay, so now that we know where not to put the dice, and now that we know how not to drive, we're going to take this next run as a very slow recce and actually evaluate this stage, you know? Because it's a little sketchy. It's almost like I've driven here before, you know? It's almost like I need to watch, what's that guy's name? Oh, Luke Cartoons. Yeah, that's the guy. Yeah, go figure. I need to take coaching for myself. Okay, this time, real slow recce, okay? And we're not going for time, so we're just going to go. I'm not listening to Phil for this one. I'm literally just going to drive and talk. So usually in a 2-pass recce, I think the first pass, the speed limit is like 50 or something. And then the second pass, the speed limit is like 70, I believe. So basically, as you can see, I was in 4th gear a second ago. If I'm in 4th gear, I'm doing something wrong. And we're going to take the time to just really, I guess, see what there is to see. And we've been here before. Like, we've done that upper portion of the stage, except it was downhill. So now we're doing the hill climb version, essentially, which is kind of cool. Yeah, there's a lot of gnarly hairpins and several, like, square turns. So for this, like, I'm gonna have to be sideways super early. Oh, God. And this little crest, like, right here, you can't really see it all too great, but that's gonna be a little sketch. It's gonna be easy to slide off that. So over-slowing to that particular corner is probably gonna be the way to go. And then there's crests like this. So I'm gonna have to let off and, like, coast and like float on this grip line because it's slippery AF. Yeah, so basically for everything, I'm going to try to be sideways and nose in sooner than later. As we discovered while driving in Australia, obviously, like, the darker the area, the more torn up and eaten up it is. So these lighter patches, I'm assuming, is where I'm going to get more grip. But I have to be cautious and aware of where the little puddles are, because it's, I guess, in real life, I guess hydroplaning is a real problem. But in the sim, I don't know how much of an issue it is in Dirt Rally, especially seeing as like it's all mud, really. It's just gonna be more slippery than it already is. Yeah, okay, so for this is beautiful. Look at that grip line, nice and wide. It's also really poopy because the entire point of a 2-pass recce, the first pass is to like, I guess, create your notes in the first place. And then the second pass is to refine them and see how they feel kind of thing and make fine-tuning adjustments. Whenever I'm doing these passes, like, I don't listen to Phil at all. I'm focusing like only on what's in front of me, mainly because I can't change like what he's saying to me, which is really crap, honestly. That would make this game so much better if you could like edit the pace notes just a little bit. Okay, so here we go, our first hairpin. I think the play here is going to be staying like moderately like center and giving yourself like this upcoming one, for example, staying moderately center, giving yourself like the space to fishtail and deliberately trying to take it wide like you're in a Formula Drift or something, and then cutting to the inside on the exit. I think that's the best way to go about this. I'm not really sure though. Yeah, here we go. So here's another spot where I'm just gonna have to gas it all the way through, if that makes sense. But these rocks, it's gonna be sketch. I think the race land is also gonna be pretty important here. Yeah, so something like this, where you go wide, see, even that wasn't half bad. I just gotta make sure I stay wide, like enter wider, stay wide for longer, so I can cut to the left here on the exit. God, I'm so glad I'm not paying for oil changes on this car. Okay, so I'm remembering how to do hairpins in this particular spot again. You want to crank the wheel, basically like a manageable amount, if that makes sense, and then gas it. And as soon as you start to feel the back end swing out, that's when you start to straighten, because momentum is a thing, right? We're going to continue turning. Let me see if I can demo that on this next hairpin. Let's change the view for a second. We're going to crank the wheel, gas it, and then as soon as we're like kind of halfway through, that's when you straighten out. It's weird to, I guess, show in this point of view. Let me see if I can do it here. Hold on. Gas it, and as soon as I feel the momentum, yeah, see, that wasn't bad. I naturally want to cut in, so I have to stay wider earlier. Let's see if we can swing. Let's see if we can swing it here. Wide, gas it. Yeah, just like that. See, that's what we're gunning for. And then again here, let's see if we can do this. See, it's weird because there's a little crest there. Here. Yeah, that was pretty terrible. Yeah, see? And I'm not trying to go fast right now, like I'm just trying to be neat. And honestly, that felt way faster than whatever I did on the last run. Yeah, okay, so this is one of those spots where jumps are scary. I want the car to be neutral, like I want it to float over this, especially because I'm gonna have to take it sideways. So cutting to the inside to give myself space to like coast to the outside, if that makes sense. That's what you're gonna have to do there. Lifting over crest is probably the wisest way to go about all this. Aha, okay, here we go. So let's switch our camera again for this one. Yeah, just like this. Staying middle, Scandinavian flick, gas it, and yeah, take out all the hosts and the photographers. Yeah, just like that. That's how the pros do it. And then feeding the throttle. Yeah, okay.
Oh, hello there!
Okay, God mode activated.
Go. And 5 right, very long. Into 6 left of a jump, 80 downhill, 6 right of a dip, into caution, 5 left long, turns of a crest, keep right of a 50, 3 left, opens 80, tightens, turn 3, opens 6, very long, into slow, 4 right, extra long, tightens caution, 30, turn, square right, camber.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, slow, middle,
50.
pendulum sooner.
6 right long.
Oh, that was
Into 6 left
horrendous.
of a crest, tightens, 40 over crest, 2 left, tightens long, 80, 5 right of a dip long, tightens over crest, into 2 left long, 40, turn unseen, 2 right, and 6 right, keep left over 80, tight, 2 right, extra long. Keep left of a flat crest.
Oh no.
6 left, tight at 5, 40, unseen, 3 left, open 6, extra long, tightens over crest and bump. Into 6 right, into 6 left, very long, tightens in of a jump. Slow, keep middle of a jump into 4 left and 4 right. 60, turn unseen,
Oh, jeez.
2 right, tightens of a crest. Into 3 left, extra long, open 6, keep right of a crest, 6 left, caution, 4 right, slow, 30, crest and 2 left of a dip. Into turn, 2 right narrow.
Over slowing.
Into 1 left long, opens 6 of a jump and dip. 3 right, opens of a crest.
Oh god.
Into 4 left long of a crest. Into turn, 6 right of a dip. To flat crest.
Come on.
6
Ah.
very long, tightens 5, 60, unseen hairpin right. 50. Unseen hairpin left. Opens 50. 5 right long. Into turn sudden 4 left. Into 4 right, don't cut, and 4 left long, don't cut, opens 60. Crest,
Come on.
3 left, don't cut, tightens narrow, into 6 right. Keep left over 80, unseen, very tight hairpin right, don't cut uphill. 50. Bump, 6 left,
Oversent
into
it.
5 right, opens over crest, 60. Slow 5 right, unseen, open hairpin left. Opens uphill, 6 left, very long.
Yeah, let's get it.
70 over bumps, into 6 left, into 6 right over bump, jump, long, 6 left long, tightens over crest, jump, slow 100, turn unseen, open hairpin right, tightens over junction, 60. 6 left, keep left over 80, 5 right. Into 6 left over dip, 30, short 6 right, to keep left over 30, 4 right.
Ooh, bump's giving me bubbles.
Into 4 left long, opens tightness turn, 2 left over junction. Into 6 right long over crest. To keep left over 30, 6 right over crest. Into 6 left, to keep right into 5 left. 30, 6 right. Into 6 left, keep
Why
right
did I
over crest,
downshift
into
in a
caution,
second? That was
sudden,
dumb.
3 right long tightens.
Why am I in
Into 4
fifth?
left, don't cut. Into 4 right, don't cut. Keep left over crest, 40. 4 left, tightens of a dip. Into 5
Focus,
right long
Luke,
over
focus.
crest, sudden, tight hairpin left. 40, 6 right long over crest. Tighten slow, turn unseen, open hairpin right. 60. Middle of a crest and 6 right of a bump, dip, 80. Unseen, open hairpin left to tree.
Oh god.
Keep left over 80, over crest. Slow 6 left, unseen, open hairpin right. 50. 6 right, opens middle of a crest, into caution slow, 6 left, keep right over 50, tight hairpin left. Opens of a crest, 100 of a crests, and bumps, into 6
Oh
right,
no.
keep left over 80,
Come on.
open hairpin right. 180. Crest, 5 left. Into caution, turn 4 right of a crest jump. Opens into 5 left.
All right.
3.
Triple
extra
caution here.
Opens and caution, tightens of a crest. Into 4 right. Very long, tightens. Into 4 left long of a
Now
jump.
we floor it.
Opens long.
Maybe too soon. Oh, jeez. Oh, oh, God.
4 right long of a dip. Into 6 left and 6 right of a bump. And 6 left of a crest long, opens, slow 100 of a crest, turn unseen, 1 left, tightens, open heavy left of a junction.
3, 2.
70.
Oh, way too early again. Come on, come on, come on.
6 right of a crest long, 6 left of a bump, to keep right of a 80, 6 left, slow 100, 3 right tightens, into turn, tight heavy left. Into 6 right of a crest, and keep left of a 20, 3 right,
Oh, God.
80, of a finish, to stop.
No! No, we're right there. Yes! Yes! Not terrible.